Hey Pitmasters, what's up? Today we're frying Wagyu steak in Wagyu fat. We already fired up our Kamado Joe Jr. The good thing about this grill is that it's very fuel efficient, so we still had some charcoal left. We lit it up with some fire starters. Now our charcoal is screaming hot. Time to put a cast iron pan on. I got a beautiful pre-seasoned pan. We'll put it on the fire and let it become red hot. This is a beautiful Australian entrecote, a Wagyu entrecote. This is not the Japanese version with high amount of marbling, but this one still looks good. And you know what? It tastes really fantastic. We cooked all kinds of steaks, Wagyu steaks, black Angus steaks, but this one is special. Lately we've done a cast iron steak that we grilled until we got that beautiful thick crust. Now I want to do the same thing with the cast iron, but then I want to use Wagyu fat to kind of shallow fry our steak in. And why not use a Wagyu steak with Wagyu fat? This is Wagyu beef fat, or beef tallow as you know it. This stuff is really fantastic and it tastes like Wagyu, and I still have a good amount left. So I'm gonna put this in my pan and let it melt. Wow, look at that. I'm measuring the temperature of the oil just to make sure that we got the right temperature for frying, which starts at around 180 degrees Celsius. It's time to start frying our steak. There we go. There goes our beautiful Wagyu. We are getting a nice fry on our steak. Look at these beautiful bubbles. We're gonna get the ultimate crust and the flavor of that Wagyu beef tallow. This is gonna be the Wagyu flavor bomb. Now we need to flip this steak around to make sure that we get a beautiful crust on both sides. Wow, look at the crunch that we got. This thing looks absolutely amazing. Wagyu, 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 hey, hey. Our steak looks done. Let's check. Woo! Just want to make sure I got the right temperature on the inside. We're reading around almost at 48. Just a little longer. Then we're going to take this steak off the grill. And a little longer means a little better crust. As you can see, the juices from the underside of the steaks are coming up to the surface. It's time to take it off. We got a beautiful crust. We got a beautiful sear. We cooked it to perfection. Oh man, I can't wait to start eating this thing. It just screams, Wagyu me, Wagyu me. But I just want to give it 5 minutes to rest. I can't stress how important this is with steaks. Rest, rest, rest. You gotta make sure you rest. Otherwise your steak is gonna be half the value of what it could be. And while we're letting it rest, we're gonna put on a little bit of salt. I'm using Maldon pyramid salt. Look at this stuff. This is the good stuff. This will melt on your steak. It will give it a bold, strong beef flavor that will enhance everything that the steak already has and give you a little bit of that saltiness on the outside. All right, let's slice up our steak. Tasting time, my favorite part of the show. I get to eat all these steaks. You guys get to watch me. Whoa. Here we go. Cheers. We got intense beef flavor from the Wagyu, of course. We got that nice and fatty meat. It's so tender. It's so nice and crispy on the outside. This is absolutely fantastic. It's a dream. It's so tender. Look at it. With almost no pressure, I can tear this apart. That crunch. Cast iron fried with Wagyu tallow. I bet you never had that before. You want a piece, Morrison?
What do you think?
You want to skip out?
You probably don't believe me, but I really can taste the tallow.
The ultimate beef flavor.
It's like Wagyu on Wagyu.
Oh yeah.
When we start melting that fat, the beef flavor was almost too strong. It was just heavy. But now that we're tasting the steak, it's right there. It's a good beef flavor. It has some kind of sweetness to it, but at the same time it's so beefy and it's so crunchy.
It's crunchy.
It's crunchy, right?
I like that.
I think Eva wants one. I'm so sad I can't feed the dog Wagyu beef. Can you imagine the flavor of the dog when we feed it Wagyu? She would make a beautiful satay.
No.
No?
No.
Of course I'm not gonna eat the dog.
No.
No, I said it! I said it! If you ever can get your hands on some Wagyu beef tallow, you're gonna be the king. And you should give it a try. The hard part is sourcing it. If you can find it, you're a hero. If you can't, you're just gonna have to long for it and put it on your to-do list until you actually find it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, then
Give us a big thumbs up.
and a comment down below. I want to say a special thank you to all of the patrons and the YouTube members and
The notification squad.
that's right.
Not just the notification squad though, everyone that comments and likes.
We've got a lot of people.
Yeah.
There are a lot of cool people on this YouTube channel. Thank you to everybody for watching our videos and supporting us, and hope to see you guys next time. Until then,
Eat smakelijk.
and keep on grilling.